You're not gonna believe what Dacia just dropped for 2026, because this one right here is about to shake up the entire budget-friendly camper scene. If you've ever thought you needed deep pockets to hit the road in style, think again, because this compact beast is bringing some serious heat. What's up everyone, and welcome back to Saint Reviews Hub. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Dacia Dokker Motorhome. A ride that looks simple at first glance, but trust me, it's way more loaded than you'd expect. So buckle up, grab a snack, and let's roll right into this, right out of the gate. The exterior of the 2026 Dacia Dokker hits you with that classic European practicality, but with a cleaner, fresher, more modern vibe. The new front fascia is sharper, the body lines are sleeker, and you can tell Dacia put some real elbow grease into making this thing look legit. The headlights come with upgraded LED tech, giving it that crisp, high-end look when you're cruising at night. The grille has been refined too, making the motorhome feel more like a bold little adventure wagon rather than just a converted van. And let's be honest, it's compact, but in a good way. This thing is perfect for tight streets, urban exploring, or sliding into campgrounds without wrestling with a giant RV. The back end is practical too, with big swing-out doors that make loading gear easy as pie, and overall, even though it's a budget-tier motorhome, it doesn't scream cheap at all. It's clean, it's slick, and it carries that no-nonsense Dacia DNA we're used to, but the real magic is always on the inside, and this little ride is full of surprises. Slide into the cockpit, and you'll notice how much more modern and comfy the new model feels. The steering wheel has a smoother finish, the updated dash looks way more legit, and the infotainment system finally feels like it belongs in 2026 instead of the early 2010s. It's got smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a solid sound system. Nothing insane, but definitely enough to keep you vibing on long drives. The seating position is cozy, visibility is awesome, and the whole front cabin gives off this simple but smart design energy that honestly works. Now let's swing into the living area. And I gotta say, this is where Dacia really flexed. For a compact motorhome, the layout is surprisingly clever. You've got a convertible seating setup that flips into a dining space or a sleeping spot in seconds. The upholstery feels nicer than you'd expect for this price range, soft, durable, and with stitching that actually looks premium. There's enough storage squeezed into every nook and cranny, so you can stash gear without feeling cluttered. The lighting setup is warm and inviting, giving it a cozy hangout vibe whether you're chilling after a long day or editing your travel footage late at night. The kitchen area is small, yeah, but Dacia made sure it's fully functional. You get a compact stove, a mini fridge that's shockingly efficient, and a sink with decent counter space for quick meals. It's not the kind of kitchen you're whipping up a 5-course meal in, but for road life, it's absolutely clutch. The cabinets feel sturdy, and nothing rattles while driving, which is a big win for a budget motorhome. And don't sleep on the bedroom setup either. The fold-out bed is actually comfortable, not too firm, not too soft, and perfect for one person or a cozy setup for two. The ventilation system keeps the space fresh, and with the blackout shades, you can knock out any time without sunlight blasting you awake. It's simple, clean, and surprisingly comfy. Moving into the bathroom, Dacia kept things compact but functional. The wet bath design gives you a toilet and shower in one space. And even though it's small, it's well built. The water pressure is decent, the materials feel durable, and it's the kind of setup that gets the job done without trying too hard. You won't be having spoil days in there. But for a compact motorhome, it's more than solid. Now let's talk performance. Because this part honestly surprised me. Under the hood, the 2026 Dacia Dokker comes with a fuel-efficient engine that delivers smooth power without guzzling gas like crazy. It's not some wild, high-horsepower monster, but it's steady, reliable, and perfect for long road trips or short weekend getaways. The steering is light, the ride quality is shockingly comfy for a compact motorhome, and the suspension handles bumps and rough patches way better than you'd expect. It's easy to drive, easy to maneuver, and absolutely perfect for beginners or anyone upgrading from car camping to a proper MOTO or HOME. And of course, pricing. This is where Dacia just drops the mic. The 2026 Dokker Motorhome comes in at a price that makes the competition look straight up overpriced. Depending on options and market regions, you're looking at a starting price around the low budget range, making it one of the most affordable factory-built motorhomes for 2026. And when you factor in the fuel efficiency, low maintenance costs, and Dacia's reputation for simplicity, this thing becomes an absolute steal if you're trying to kick off your travel dream without spending house money. This little ride is a killer starting point. So that wraps up the full breakdown of the 2026 Dacia Dokker Motorhome. It's compact, smartly designed, easy on the wallet, and way more capable than you'd expect from something in this price class if you're into simple adventure living without all the luxury fluff. This might just be the rig for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Saint Reviews Hub. Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.